Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix in case your JVC Roku TV is having Wi-Fi issues. Could be because it's not connecting to your Wi-Fi. Maybe it's actually connecting but disconnecting often. Well, how can you fix this issue? Well, I'll show you something that works almost all the time. So the first trick over here is to go into the settings by pressing the home button. Then over here, go and select settings, select network. We're going to select check connection and you're going to wait a few seconds. Press OK. And here, make sure to check signal strength. Many people having issues will find that their signal strength is low or bad. If you see low, bad, or anything not good, the way it is right over here, there's a good chance that you're having issues because the TV is too far away from your Wi-Fi router. So try to bring your Wi-Fi router closer to your TV or the TV closer to the router to solve the issue. Then another thing to check in the same menu is bandwidth saver. Make sure that this is turned off. Bandwidth saver, what it does is it turns off an app that has been streaming for 4 hours or more. Okay, so to save you Wi-Fi, to save you bandwidth. Unfortunately, this also means that your TV will disconnect and you're probably wondering why this is happening to you. Well, it's simply because bandwidth saver is turned on. So go ahead and turn this off. Okay, so once you have done this, turn off the TV. It's powering off and disconnect it from the wall outlet, from the power source. I suggest you do the same thing with your Wi-Fi router. So go ahead and unplug your Wi-Fi router from the power source. Wait around 2 to 3 minutes. Plug back your Wi-Fi router. On your JVC TV, find the power button. Sometimes it's located under. On this model, it's located on the back. Right over here, this is my power button, and press on it 30 seconds, even if the TV is disconnected. After 30 seconds, remove your finger from the button and connect the TV. Power on the TV using the power button located on it. And now, once it's power on, we will go back into the Wi-Fi settings. So I will go down into settings, network. I'll select setup connection, wireless. Wait a few seconds. Your router has been boot up, so it should appear over here. Select it. I have already connected myself in the past. If you already have typed the password and are connected to your Wi-Fi network, go again and tap on the connect button after typing the password if it's not there. And it will reconnect to your router. And fortunately, after doing all these steps, your JVC Roku TV will work normally and you won't have any problems. Now, if it still persists, you're still having issues, it doesn't work the way you want, I also suggest that you can do a reset, a full reset, which means that the TV will be like brand new and fortunately the issue will be fixed. To do a reset, okay, you have to go into the settings, then select system, go and select advanced system settings, select factory reset, select factory reset everything, and here you have to type this code that is right over here. On your TV you'll have a different code. Simply type it on the top, press OK, and the TV will be resetted, and again, fortunately, it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if this fixed the issue. If you have other solutions, please type a comment as well. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.